Over the last 1 year, ThinkZone has been working with Anganwadis in Cuttack, Kendrapada and Bhadrak district in Odisha as a part of its quality learning initiative. This initiative focuses on developing age-appropriate skills of children between the ages of 3 to 6. Let's take you through some of the key aspects of this program. The Anganwadi workers are supported with regular offline and online skill enhancement workshops and activity-based teaching resources. They are also provided with mobile application platform for classroom management, assessments and learning activities. This is in accordance with the National Curriculum for Early Childhood Care and Education. Our program also provides Anganwadi workers with support through our local team members. In this 1 year, we have seen a significant improvement in the learning outcomes of children, while more and more children are coming to Anganwadis regularly now. Our constant interaction with the communities created significant awareness about the need of early childhood education.